Hello and welcome to Jive Basic Plus lesson. Here we explore interesting basic choreographies, and today we will look at choreography with simple spin. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So we will look at simple spin, and usually in basic version only lady makes the turn, but there is one version in which is allowed also man make the turn. So we will dance simple spin from open CPP. In order to do that, we make change of place left to right to open CPP, and then also man can turn in simple spin. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us first of all basic change of place left to right. Quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's do from opposite angle. And quick, 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 quick. And now let's turn change of place left to right to open CPP. Quick, 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 and dance simple spin. And this is our advanced version, which is allowed in technique books. Quick, 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 and quick, quick. Now, next figure we will dance before simple spin is follow-away through-away. So we dance quick, 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 which is basic version of follow-away through-away. Let's look again. And quick, 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 quick. Now we will overturn follow-away through-away, which means lady will dance spiral turn and lock step forward. And quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's do it again. And quick, 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 spiral turn, quick, quick. Now we will change beginning. Man will dance rock to side, and lady will run and then lock step forward, and after that lady will dance simple spin while man dance 2 steps. And quick, 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 quick. Now let's look at American spin, after which we dance kick, ball, change. Very good. From opposite angle. And quick, 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 quick. And now let's connect in choreography these last 2 pieces. So we dance overturn follow-away throw-away with simple spin, then American spin, and kick, ball, change. Very good. Let's do it again, this time with teaching count. And quick, 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 quick. And one more basic figure for today's choreography is link and throwaway whip. Very good. Let's do it again. Notice that this whip will end in open position. And quick, 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 quick. And now let's do change of place, overturn to open CPP, then simple spin, link, and throwaway whip. Very good. With teaching count. quick, quick, quicker, quick, quicker, quick, 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 quicker, quick, 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 quick. And now let's put whole today's choreography together. So we will start with fallaway throwaway, overturned, then simple spin for lady, man kickball change, then American spin with kickball change. Now change of place left to right, open CPP, simple spin for both, and link and throwaway whip. And now with teaching count, I will count with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.